Mwachibim Samuel Kwabado Badwam TV Badwam so yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say ni nkranhye sama odi abreye de edu so ne Badwam kase ensam no ne obeti wo mu ebi eni na mampani ayato abayi no ene ne transition team wapa won hontoma yede bebro wo no nsem bi na no pay yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live wo Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube ya Adom TV Tube ko adomonline.com nsemwe ene nsem bebre so eka ho ayede egu ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni nchiremu ankasa etie Ghana mampani ayato abayi no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena ene wahwe yamamra eso ayi ne transitional team a ene wono be ye adwuma na adwuma na wono mo be ye na nipakuo no ankrankra no bia ene ne modern bo ebi de iskasem aban mu amamuo ena fe enwuma hodo nso won mudimo akotene enti edino ane Owura Julius Debra we co-chairperson Honorable Johnson Esedu Enketia member Honorable Fifi Kwete member Dr. Callistus Mahama member no san ye chotroni dema transition team no Dr. Velari Soya member Professor Kwamena Ahoy member Fe Dr. Ato Fossen so member Honorable Mahama Yariga member Honorable Gusitando member na Fe Dr. Edward Omane Buama enso member ni nyina emu no Right Honorable Edward Ajaho na odeno aka ho se onye Transitional Advisory Council onye wonomo member Mayentwa kasiano eso na yemungra ensemu na mekasa enra danyani kwara de empo ene ya mekasa Ghana National Gas Company bambo emu eden wo hopa afise yehunu nipakuo bi a wo mabo enra ho kire se wo aban na abenti wo sese ne mankrofo cast nom ne ade wo mo se no odansi ni bi a bibinti yemfena ni mo nkire yemmo ni dini ene Adom kase edin komoe
enye so jeni ba ko pe atindi 3 ba kunu de obi ma o ma du ma moja kwa na jinti later na nko funu mu fu do fi kwa ka ba ku bi so be ka mo bu so ya no helmet da ba ko helmet e ko box so de na na ko bo ka mi
But apart from soldier, no, omutumi we inside SSN amount.
No, inside because omupeni command you na say omupi. Into na outside here no omo say inside the omo.
Na say tag no mobile the penin the omo ni ma omo command say money say obi the omo ni ma command.
Okay, from the beginning no mobile no omo tire say omo train omo ankasa omo peni squad number no so omo chomo so omo peni. Okay. Yeah, into your hand you say car no opening car na buy right inside and the
can buy private car
no private car Land Cruiser.
Okay.
And do right inside so do right inside na I think almost graduate saying come because that opening into say come right inside so no kwana only am say few guys you be no go inside.
Nti work at in the moment me am almost kind of be
no so
security no go in house where
we say me so o ma bobia that me so ma bobia
military for now.
Yes, to say so the for no buy ya
they must have pure car and such NF Baltic and I say your friend is saying bottle water in Canada bottle water near dear I know then
I don't know squad na I think omo so omo be me and na dey want to bo bia na so ni sha o yo omo so omo be no me omo so omo be no me the and na dey bia
Ene NDC amanyoko no supporters ni guso aye won ade ni biem na we no eye awutu Senya West abato mpesua no eso communications officer wo ho Cassius Otulabi en wadi won manimo na district assembly wo store room ho akoloke no
na fuwa ba ko pe ena edi ebra abato commission ebo kanema mpanyi John Dramani Mahama din sesesei ono ena Ghana foto abano wayi no sama mpanyine yenti NDC amanyoko no echitafo wa wutu Senya West abato mpesua so akwakoto district assembly no store room amanebo no echimu a osi sɛ gyinaeɛ sɛ bɛyi a ɛnɛma bi a ɛwɔ story mu no a osu sɛ NPP amanyɔkuo no akyitaafoɔ bɛkɔ akɔyi no ɔma wo mu nkɔyi ɛnyɛ hɔ nko a yɛma ne bɔne yɛnya ne nteyɛ sɛ wokɔ a wotu sɛnya East Municipal Assembly ɛne Gomua East Municipal Assembly ɛwɔ nso ɔkɔ akɔtoto ne nyinaa mu asɛm korɔ no mu nso so kasafonyini bi abɛto dwa wobɛhunu sɛ mmarahyɛbadwani ha wɔ Kumsen ne mfonyini a wɔde bobɔɔ mmɔntene nyinaa no ɔmanfoɔ ɛsɛsɛ no adwumayɛfoɔ bi a wɔwɔ District Assembly hɔ nom kyerɛ a sesei deɛ wɔn soro egu gyam.
Home and Cinema Assembly penny a wɔda no nso sanukura bi a anim sɛ nnɛ fertilizers bi wɔde akɔ akɔsie sɛdeɛ nipa bi keka bɔ ho ɛsoboɔ no kaseɛ no ɛtɔ so.
We were home Wednesday and I said Thursday to the Saturday election. Na your friend me free office obi mudi niama abre yeah, and this goose came so late. And I asked what item niama beya almost say fertilizer. And you and I knew I've distributed a lot of fertilizers long before even this campaign thing started, just to aid our farmers to produce more food to the market where both NDC and MPP people will go and buy. And the Modi Niaman buy no mean say a Hamatan season. Say even if it is because of political purpose, grandpa, Udima Obia, want me use it. One use ya Unfasubia New Obi Musua Udima Mwa Ebia, they will not use it for the purpose it's given. So me directly say Omuyi to only say Bangalore me down. Me wa Miami fee. And most of the items because assembly and yeah Niam Abia ye was space let me contain and most of some of the items I meet the two and even these items are without way bill. So now yes, yeah, they came without way bill. As I'm talking to you now, I don't know the source they are coming from. You understand?
Mampeni ato abe John Dramani Mahama se ene mampeni oteso na na dodan kwa kufuado afrena manitiri enkwa ama won agi atuma ne ya make say transition team no obi ade ne dia benti ne won ba be hye won dwumadie no ase na bibia koboko na omen asumdua koso wo ho akase no etoso yi.
And we had the opportunity to discuss matters related to the joint transitional team. We agreed on an early inauguration of the joint transitional team as early as Wednesday, the 11th of December. I conveyed my sincerest regards to him and expressed my readiness for us to work together to ensure a smooth transition in the best interest of the Ghanaian people. This mandate represents many things for all political actors and those who seek to lead our nation. It shows that the Ghanaian people have little tolerance for bad governance, particularly of the sort witnessed in the last 8 years.
Penny yato abe John Dramani Mahama na deto nsori akendifo ni nyina nim wada wo masede na wasasere se wo mo bambo won koso a na mpaye mu eden no wo mo monta no machi ema no sebeya eni hwade hu no ne de enti ya Ghana de tumi no ahye ne nsebie mu no obetumi edro ho Assemblies of God sorry ya wo no eye osonfo ene ne impanifo no ba ne na so be ma ne chinkwa ene ode nsemi etudwa
Isanse mampanyina sese Ghana for ato aba no John Dramani Mahama Adom Assemblies of God asorituo nti empanimfo a General Superintendent Reverend Stephen Yenison Wengam edi wanimu ena ekoma ne tirim kwa ene monoyo okoye no maame asese wosabe ba panyine ewo my Ghana mu First Lady Lordina Mahama Kane Chief of Staff Julius Debra ene afoforo pi ena ekoka mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ho a oni asori mpanimfo yi ebo mu de nyame ase ode to asofo yi anim se wode no kredie ene periperi ye ne bedi o man yi anim.
Family, I have some of my best and greatest friends in the church, and in every step that I've taken, I know that the church has followed me with prayer and especially in the run-up to this election. I know all the prayer networks and chains that were actively praying for our success. And this cannot be by our might. I was positive that we'll win, but the extent of this victory, I mean, it can only be God's hand at work. And it's one of the biggest endorsements that Ghanaians have ever given to any president.
MPP Amanyokuo no de no wo pre wo mra so bedwa akonya ma wo wodom kwabenya ye Mike Kokwe Junior na enei ono de so wonyi ntumu se ye declare NDC parliamentary candidate eye Faustina Eliklim Akrugu se wono ene parliamentary candidate e wo ho ana se wono ne mra so bedwani a ade hye wodom kwabenya to aba emano
NPP Amanyokuo ni pa okogina mu pre mra so bedwam de bre wodom kwabenya eye Mike Kokwe Junior o kyeresa abato nsunsanso ne nyaade obegi atum esanse NDC Amanyokuo ne nipa ogina mu Faustina Eliklim Akrugu ene wabo ne dinsi wadi nkunim no suseka na ne bi ekoso oni Adom kase kasa no ne nkyeremu a wodi tu dwa ene se NDC Amanyokuo re chitafo boapa ehye ballot papers bia eno nti amu aboba aba na nwie esidai ena ade a wanhu ne nyina no otimi eyi obi a wadi kan
yenina as politicians yenim se abade wo koto aba wo betumi wini a Nyankopon wadana se wa hye white wakwa sorry se wo konsuna ulusu a as the leader was said yes we be catch of followers say enya hwe na obi enwuye sa na me man da enya ade a misro elections ba yentina ho ma obi enchinchi miensa enka se ono wini MPP don't lose hope, because where there's hope, tomorrow offers a brighter day. We are not fighting for violence. We are fighting for justice. We are fighting for democracy. Mumayanya the right thing, not Ghana and Fane Tumampe infra. We are waiting for the easy.
Aminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asia sedane ye wodia omre no wadaje a wode fam ye wadaroma ye so koso hwe ne twen ye ne mfa da bonkrata na aba ne no ene online de no ento so ye kwaba